Happy Friday, everyone. Welcome back to Spectrum News 1. I'm meteorologist Robert Suhr with another check of your forecast. And we're going to start with a look at the latest drought monitor. And we now have a pretty good part of the tri-state here experiencing abnormally dry conditions. That does not technically qualify as a drought, but you look toward the Paducah area, extreme western Kentucky, this is a drought now, a moderate drought. But the good news is, I am expecting us to eat away at some of this. I'll show you here in just a second. First, just 7/100ths of an inch of rainfall so far for the month. Now, we are only 3 days into May. We are going to add to this number throughout the weekend. We are running a deficit of rainfall of about 1.25 inches. So we do need the rain. So that's why, not surprisingly, some of you are seeing those drought conditions. But over the next 3 days or so, you can see across the tri-state here, pretty good number. So a 1/2 inch to about 1 inch of rain certainly looks possible, especially in those areas where it was dry, if not in a drought. So that is certainly good news. And you can see as we put the model into motion here, plenty of chances for showers and thunderstorms as we go through the day. It's not going to be an all-day washout, but we will see numerous showers and some thunderstorms across the entire area at times today. We'll be rapidly changing conditions, so you could be in a shower or a storm. You drive a couple of miles and maybe the sun is shining. We might get a break tomorrow morning before more activity is expected second half of our Saturday and into Sunday. You'll see here with Futurecast some of that morning convection continuing to slide its way off toward the east. More activity bubbles up by this afternoon. Again, some of you will see it, others will not. Just keep that in mind if you are doing some traveling and then waking up on our Saturday morning. We should be dry as of now, with more showers by the afternoon and evening for our Saturday. So mid to upper 70s for our temperatures today, cooler than it has been for a good part of the week, but still above average for this time of the year. Maybe a few 80-degree readings. You get west of Kentucky Lake where they could see a little bit more of that sunshine. 60s for our lows tonight. Cloud cover, some of those showers, keeping things on the mild side. So we show you that extended forecast. It is certainly an active one over the next 7 days, with chances for showers and a few thunderstorms every single day. Severe weather is not expected though, and see some days temperatures back into the 80s.